This video is made only for educational purposes. All visuals and information shown here are meant to inform and create awareness. Let's begin.
So much. Mary Kay Cabot right there on the fan hotline as she, that was very interesting, where she's like, that might be the coldest game she's ever covered. That was
Look, see what I mean? See what I mean? The bullshit people do. I'm trying to tell you.
Stuck in this. Jesus. What the fuck, dude? I couldn't see shit. What the fuck?
What the fuck are you thinking?
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck are you doing?
You may not be able to tango, you may not be able to do the other dances that you all see on television shows like Dancing with the
Railroad does to you. Viagra ATV crushes every other and is endorsed by the head of neurology at the prestigious Cedars-Sinai Hospital in Beverly Hills, Dr. Dudley Dillon.
Kitchen around 3:40, and there I saw the inflatable still up. Oh no, I put it back up. Oh, you were up?
Had come to the small village in the north of Kosovo.
Uy. Moving so fast.
Crazy lady.
She's turning so fast.
Yeah.
Imagine the lights of Carnegie Hall, Matthew West on stage, and a full orchestra behind him. You could be there. We're sending one.
Finish your shopping. Wrap it all up at Fleet Farm now. This week only, holiday snack trays are 25% off. For your furry friends, buy one, get one 50% off all Kong treats and toys. Pop into
Yeah, what's another, what's that other store? I can't think of it. It's like Canada now.
Oh, that's funny.
What's the Ari? There's an Ari one that's more like...
Yeah, that's...
Fuck you break so hard for?
Nothing happened, but it's okay.
Mike, don't get involved.
Now then!